Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete contacts on Telegram. In order to delete contacts on Telegram, first you'll need to open your Telegram app. This is the first interface you will see of Telegram. Make sure you are logged in your Telegram account. Now, you'll have to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Your profile information with a lot of options will pop up in your screen. From here, you'll have to tap on the contacts option. Now you will see all your contacts here. You can also make new group, new secret chat and new channel from here. Now to delete contacts, you'll have to long press on the contact you want to delete. Then you'll find the dustbin like icon in the top right corner of your screen. You'll have to tap on it. You'll be asked if you want to delete this contact. You'll have to tap on delete option. And just like that, you have successfully deleted contact in your Telegram. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete contacts on Telegram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.